Hey guys, it's Jen. I wanted to do an unboxing of the Planner Society kits. These are the kits for May. First, we're going to start with the Washi Tape Society kit. I have all of the kits here for you guys so you can see what they're like. So here is this really cute medium-sized washi and some cactuses, skinny washi, and then this really pretty pink and green I don't know, are they like banana leaves? Yeah, I think they're banana leaves. Let's go with that. Palm leaves, I have no idea. This is the Sticker Society kit. This is an add-on that you can get in addition to the main kit. You'll get these word stickers with these flags. You have some more flags and then appointment stickers and then some little deco stickers at the bottom. Stickers, appointment stickers, some icons, and then some days of the week. Here's some blank flags, like page flags, or you can use them. I like to layer these stickers. Here's some blank bows, some tiny bows, and some flags. And then here's some more deco, some page headers, and then heart checklists, my fave. Next, we have the Box Sticker Society kit. It's definitely one of my add-ons, my favorite add-ons. I love the checklists. I love the checklists, the heart checklists, and the full box checklists. These are some of my favorite full boxes, the deco, quarter boxes, half boxes, and washi strips. And then I love that you can just fold this and put this in your TN. And then you have the headers, and then some deco, and then some flags, and then some bows. So this really is perfect, honestly. You can use this for more than a month. Definitely, it can stretch out for more than a month for sure. It's a lot of stickers. The main Planner Society kit comes with this awesome pen, and it matches all of the papers and the patterns, and I just love how the metal it's like a rose gold, so pretty. It comes with 6 8.5 by 11 papers and some specialty papers as well. So you get 2 patterns of each. They're double-sided, which is awesome. You can do so much with a kit like this. So much. So we've got this. I love black and white patterns, first of all. And I like how there's a black and white polka dot in the back of this floral pattern. So pretty. She does the best floral patterns. Oh, I just love this print right here. So gorgeous. And then here are the other 2 papers. I love that. And then here are some specialty papers that are also included. 2 vellums. Love the cactuses, adorable. And then an acetate. How cute are those flamingos? This is the washi that comes in the kit. Pack of paper flowers and some little gemstones that you can put in the middle. So pretty. Love these 2 paper clips. They are so cute. They're made out of felt and they're so adorable. I love those. Comes with this super cute pen pouch. I just love this pattern, the polka dot pattern, and this cute pink bow. It's adorable. This mint green is everything. You get a bunch of tabs and a bunch of little stickers for the tabs. This kit has a pack of page flags, which are my favorites. I love when she puts page flags in the kits because I love to layer them and put them in my spreads or my dashboards, or I like using them in my Stalogy or when I'm journaling, my creative journaling, or even just scrapbooking. So much fun. So versatile. Here are 2 stamps. I love stamping and incorporating these in my spreads, in my planner spreads, or just even in creative journaling and scrapbooking. Those are a lot of fun. Brought back the pretty doilies. You get 3 of the small doilies, if that's what those look like, and then these bigger doilies. They're so pretty and delicate. I love those. Doilies are my favorite. You get different sizes, which is great because, you know, everybody uses different size planners. So this one has an envelope style. This one flips open on the top. And then this is just an open pocket. This is just adorable. I love it. Next, you do get stickers. Oh, I just love these words. These are so much fun to play with. I like putting them in my monthly spreads and decorating with these. And I also like scrapbooking with them. That's a lot of fun. Or just creative journaling. These are awesome. These are perfect for the monthly spread. And then here are the deco. I love it. It's so fresh and new. I just love it. So many die cuts in this kit. I love it. I am just so in love with these die cuts. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I will leave a link below if you would like to subscribe to any of the kits. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.